Good morning students, welcome back again. This is the part 3rd of chapter number 3rd, that is tools of word processor. Now the next topic is selecting text in a document. So here the 4 way in which you can select a text. Number 1 is selecting a word, selecting a sentence, selecting a paragraph and selecting any part of text. So the first is selecting a word. So if I want to select a particular word, let us suppose here I want to select the education word. So for that, double click the word. That is, press the 2 times of left button of your mouse. That is, double click the word you want to select. The word will be selected. 1, 2. Now word will be selected. For deselect, click the blank area. So now it's deselected. Now next is selecting a sentence. For to select a sentence, press and hold down the control key on the keyboard. Now press the control key and click on a line. Now you can see it select a full sentence. Now next is selecting a paragraph. For to selecting a paragraph, place your mouse pointer over the paragraph you want to select and then click 3 times to select a paragraph. The whole paragraph will be selected. Now firstly we have to deselect this one. Now it's a deselected. Now for to select a paragraph, now suppose I want to select this paragraph, that is this one, first one. Now place your mouse pointer over the paragraph. This is my mouse pointer. I place my mouse pointer over the paragraph and then quickly click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now full paragraph is selected. Now the next is selecting any part of text. For that, first of all, place your mouse pointer over the first word you want to select. So let us suppose I want to select from the education word. So keep your mouse pointer there. After that, press the left button of your mouse and drag your mouse. Now it will be selected. Now the next topic is formatting text. Formatting text means make changes to the text or document to make it more attractive and beautiful. Generally for formatting a text, we use 2 groups. That is, first is font group and second is paragraph group. Now the first is changing font of the text. This is the font. Now I want to change font of the text. For that, first of all, we have to select the font that we want to change. So I want to change the font of this full paragraph. So click 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Now it's selected. After that, from this font group, I will choose this command and I will select the any. Whatever you select, it change according to that. So generally we use Times New Roman or Calvary. So let us suppose I want this one. So I just click on it. Now it's applied. Now for deselect, click on blank area. Now next is using mini toolbar. So with the help of mini toolbar also, we can apply this formatting. So first of all, again I will select this paragraph. 1, 2, 3. It's selected. Now this is a mini toolbar. So from here you can select. Now I again select the Times New Roman. Click on it. Now it applied. Now again for to deselect, click on blank area. Now next is changing the font size of the text. Now again we will use font group. And again we have to select paragraph 1, 2, 3. Now it's selected. After that we have to use this command. We can change the size of font. It's increasing and it's decreasing. So here I will select 20. Now click on it. Now it's selected. Now it's already selected. So now in this case I will not deselect it because I want to use the next command. So For using the next command, again we have to select, so it's already selected, so that's why I'm not deselect this content. Now next is changing the text. That means again we have to use the font group. This is the bold, this is the italic, and this is the underline. So now first of all I click on the bold, that is a capital B. Now bold, italic, underline. For deselect, again click on that, deselected, deselected, and deselected. Now next is changing the color of text. Now again use the font group. This is color option, and you can choose the any color according to your wish. Let us suppose I want to choose this one. Now click on it. Now it's applied. Now I deselect this text. Now the next is highlighting a text. For highlighting a text, first of all select the text. So I want to here I want to highlight education word. So double click on it. Now it's selected. After that choose this option from font group. You can choose the any color. Now here I choose the green color. Now it's highlighted. Now if you click on a blank area, still it's highlighted. Now the next is changing alignment of the text. Actually alignment, we can align text in different ways to enhance the appearance of our document. By default, Word assign the left align commands. Now for the alignments we have to use the paragraph group. Here are the 4 alignment. Number 1 is left, second center, third right, and fourth justify. So now for applying the alignment, first of all we have to select the text. So now here I again select the full paragraph. Now applying the first alignment, that is the left, center, right, and justify. Next topic is changing the line spacing. So again here I choose the paragraph group. This is the option of line spacing. Click on it. You can select the any line space. According to that, change will appear on the screen. So generally we use first option, that is a 1.0. Now next topic is changing paragraph spacing. So paragraph spacing is the space before and after a paragraph in a document. This is a paragraph, that means before and after a paragraph. So we can change the amount of space between paragraph of text. For that, first of all we have to click on page layout tab, this one. After that click anywhere in the paragraph or select it to set spacing before or after it. Now I click in this paragraph here, and now here the before and after option is there, and here are the points. So we have to increase. Now you can see the space increasing before this paragraph. After that, this one. Now you can see space also increasing after this paragraph. Now the rest part of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.